Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and we are just a few short days away from Cinco de Mayo. So I figured we have to make these classic frozen strawberry margaritas. These are so yummy. The absolute perfect drink idea for Cinco de Mayo. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by prepping our margarita glasses. This is totally optional. If you don't like salt, you don't have to use it, but I do like salt. So we're gonna add, I just put some salt on a plate. This is just regular table salt. You can definitely use margarita salt, but this is a cheaper way to go. So we're just gonna juice one lime onto this plate. And if you have really big limes, you might only need a half of one. Okay, and then we're just gonna take our margarita glass and just dip it, oh, that's a horrible sound. We're just gonna dip it in the lime juice and then just roll it in the salt. And I probably could have used a bigger plate, but we're gonna just make do with what we have. Just roll it in there. And if you miss a spot, that's okay. That one looks perfect. Okay, so into our blender, we're gonna add half a bag of strawberries, which is about 8 ounces. And these are frozen. That's what gets that perfect texture in our margaritas. We're also gonna add in the juice from 2 limes. And we really want fresh lime juice here. Does anybody have big plans for Cinco de Mayo? Are you making stuff at home? Or are you going out? What's your plans? I'm sure we'll probably end up making stuff at home. Usually, like, even though our kids are a little bit older, we always do stuff at home. We like to cook at home, but going out for Mexican food is always so much fun too. Okay, now we're gonna add in 2 ounces of simple syrup. This just helps it get a little bit sweeter. We're just gonna do 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, or you can use a triple sec. And we're gonna do 3 ounces of Patron, or tequila. Any kind of tequila is fine here. I really like using the good stuff. Patron Silver is my favorite, but I had this today, so we are gonna use what we have. Okay, and then we're gonna add in 1 cup of ice. Okay, now we're just gonna blend this up. If you like these really, really icy, you can definitely add in 1 more cup of ice. All right, we are ready to pour these easy margaritas. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good. Perfect for hot weather. It's supposed to be like 85 degrees here on Thursday, so I am excited to make these again. And this makes about 2 good-sized margaritas. So if you've got a party coming over, make sure to double or triple the recipe. That's it, we're all done with these easy strawberry margaritas. I like to top mine with just a little lime wedge because it looks so pretty. And that's it. I hope you guys have an awesome Cinco de Mayo. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make this. Cheers. So yummy.